G'day Throttle Downunder family. Today we're diving into an exhilarating development that's set to redefine luxury and performance for Australian motoring enthusiasts. Let's have a look at the Black Rock Motor Resort. Well, let's address the elephant in the room first. Where have I been? Why haven't I been making videos? Well, there's a whole big story regarding that. That'll come at a later date. But what I do want to mention is this is the first video of 2025. There will be more coming this year, and what I'm doing this year is going to be purely passion projects. Only things that I find interesting will I be sharing this year. So I may make one video a year, I may make 12 videos a year. Time will tell. But this is something that I find super exciting. So let's have a look at this. Nestled near Lake Macquarie, this $150 million gated community is more than just a resort. It's a haven for those who live and breathe motorsport.
Black Rock Resort is going to include a 5.4 kilometre Tilke designed racetrack, a 30-room 5-star hotel, a 250 seat restaurant, trackside cafe, 64 private dwellings with 4-car garages downstairs and 2-bedroom apartments upstairs. We have a members lodge, 24 3-bedroom cabins. We have a driver training centre, skid pan, driver training handling arena, as well as a 4-wheel drive experience and an electric go-kart track. A pit lane facility, full-time on-site mechanics. We've got a 300 car space underground car storage vault, and we've got a full-time medical centre and fire and rescue. Black Rock will be one of one. There's nothing else like it in the world.
Built on a reclaimed mine site, Black Rock exemplifies sustainable development. The project incorporates recycled materials, including low-carbon concrete and partially plant-based asphalt, setting new standards for eco-friendly construction.
So what are you looking for when you're building a racetrack? What's the plot of land look like? There's a few must-haves. First and foremost, it's got to have topography. It has to have elevation.
Sometimes you get 2D, really flat. Sometimes you get 2D plus, and here we are at 3D plus.
You asked, what are you looking for? Yeah, we are looking for something like this. That's what we are looking for. This makes us happy. So we're driving around, smiling the whole day.
Each corner, each sector, each meter is exciting because you are in 3 dimensions. It's not like a roller coaster, it's maybe like flying. So really, it's flying to the terrain.
The Black Rock Motor Resort is set to open its doors in June 2027. And it will become the ultimate destination for motoring enthusiasts. So stay tuned to Throttle Downunder, and we will bring you all the exclusive updates to this groundbreaking project. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and keep your finger on the pulse of the Australian motoring and motorcycle scene.